Hello and welcome. Today, I'll explain to you how to get Canva Pro features for absolutely free. First up, we've got an expansive library of templates. No matter your project, be it a social media post, presentation, or business card, Canva's got a template that fits like a glove. Just pick, customize, and voila. You're a design maestro. But wait, there's more. Dive into a sea of customizable elements, fonts, colors, images. Every detail is at your fingertips. Whether you're building a brand or expressing your personal style, Canva lets you play Picasso without the paintbrush. Now, is this all features for free? No. Most of the Canva templates and features are available only for pro users. But no worries. Let's see how we can get pro access without paying a penny. Sounds great, right? Let's go. Let's go to Google and search Canva. Here we go. Now, if you already have an account, you can log into that. If not, simply you can create one right away by clicking sign up. Here, as I already have one, let's log into that using the email address. Well, we're in. As you can see, this is just a free account. Let's try to use some pro features. This crown symbol represents pro templates and features. Once we click it, it says to get the pro version. Now, keep it like that and go back to Google. Just search Bingo Tango as I do. From the search results, go to this website. If you're using an ad blocker, this notice may pop up, but no need to turn down your ad blocker. Just ignore it. Let's scroll down all over to the bottom of this page, and then you can see there is a countdown for generating your link. This is the moment you have to test your patience. I'll make it quick before you skip the video. Let's click on the download button. It'll direct you to another link where you can get pro features into your Canva account. Just click on the Get Here button. But remember, sometimes you may have to try several times to get this. See? It's redirecting to your Canva account with Pro Access. As you can see now, we have full access to all of the features. Also, we can customize any template there, even under the crown symbol. But the important thing is, this is not exactly the Pro version. This is one group feature that Canva offers for education purposes. But don't worry, it doesn't mean it's having copyright issues. You can use this even for commercial usage or for social media. Only the risk is these groups do not last longer most of the time. Once someone commits a violation, the group will be downgraded to the free version. So enjoy it, and once it happens, you can join back with a new group. If you think this is helpful, just leave a like, which does not cost anything to you. And subscribe to the channel for me to appear on your YouTube wall with a new interesting video.